everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Something is poking me, and it's my button. My gumdrop buttons! But yeah, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. I was pretty excited to go to Walmart today. I'm like, you know what? It's a good month. It's April. Let's hope April was just as good as March. I go on the app, and I'm like, oh, they got some good deals. I go to my teamwork and it says I don't have any teammates that redeemed anything, but then it shows that they did. I don't have any levels, so I don't know what Ibotta is doing. I did email them. They didn't give me the answer I wanted. They just said it's random for every time. I think what they're doing is they're actually testing something out. I feel like if you don't have the levels, I think what they're doing is seeing who would do more rebates if they had the levels or not. I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? But yeah, I have no levels. I do have a bonus. I needed 16 rebates to hit to get a $3 bonus. I was really trying to get that, but today's shopping experience was just kind of dull and boring. The store, I like shopping at Walmart. I like the cashiers, some of them, but I don't like the CSMs there. I feel like they judge me every time I go there because they're always getting called to the register, and I don't do anything wrong. I follow the rules, but somehow I had problems today, so I'm going to share with you guys that when I get to the problem. I did get some stuff, and I ended up putting them back because of the problems that I had at the registers. So I'll show you guys those breakdowns if your store lets you do that. I also contacted Walmart, and I'm still waiting on an answer. I messaged them through Facebook Messenger. They read my question, but they haven't responded back, and that was an hour ago that I'm still waiting for them to respond. But anyways, let's just say, Jennifer, shut up, and let's start doing the deals. Now, these deals are not the greatest unless you guys really need these products. I would not say get them. This week is just kind of a blah week. I still wanted to share with you guys, you know, that in case you guys do have levels or you guys just want to get out. I was kind of debating on going to Walmart today anyways because I'm just tired. I got like a little more than a month left of my pregnancy, but I want to try to get out there to share with you guys as many deals because I don't know what I'm going to be in when the baby comes. I'm still going to coupon, just don't know what I'm going to do. So there is that. But I ended up getting the soft soap, hand soap thing. This is an okay deal. So these are $2.98. We do have those 75% off coupons that were in the inserts from a couple weeks ago. So you guys would pay $2.23 for this. But then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta. It used to be 50 cents, I think, or 35 cents. I think it was 50. But they changed it to $1. So this ends up becoming $1.23. Not the greatest deal, but this is something that I feel like we won't get very much in on sale at certain other places. Like, I don't know if CVS or Walgreens sells this kind, so I'm like, you know what, that's fine. And it's shea and cocoa butter, and I like that smell, so I definitely wanted to get that. For our bathroom. Now, I was going to do the right guard deal. Now, I don't know what the heck I was thinking. We had coupons to print, but they were, speed stick. And all of a sudden, I was like taking a picture of the coupon with the thing, and I'm like, wait a minute. What the heck was I thinking? I don't know if it's pregnancy brain. But anyways, those are speed stick printable coupons. So we don't have any coupons for the right guard. So we got that going on. But anyways, I'm like, I'm still going to do this deal. Now, this deal worked last time. This was $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys will get $1 back in a rebate, making it 97 cents. And I'm like, you know, that's an okay deal. Then they had the 2-packs, and I actually scanned the 2-packs, but it didn't say, nothing popped up on my Ibotta. I always scan my items while I'm at the stores just because of certain reasons, and I will show you guys what I'm talking about when it'll probably be the next item. So I couldn't get the 2-pack because it didn't qualify. So I'm like, okay, I'll just get this one. We got that. Now we have those got to be printable coupons on coupons.com. And I'm like, sweet. And then I saw that there is a deal on Ibotta. Well, I scanned like 5-6 different items at Walmart of Ibotta, and none of them said they'd match. I mean, I pretty much got exactly what the description said it was, but the Ibotta wasn't working. I didn't want to contact them and deal with that stuff. So, but if by the time you guys go shopping or by the time you do this deal and it works, let me know. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But that deal was $4.97. I used a $2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.97 for that. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it 97 cents. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. It would be something my husband would use. But no, the thing didn't work on Ibotta. So there was that in case you guys want to do that. And I will include a picture. Okay, the next deal we got is the Febreze deal, and I think this is going to be my last and final time. I still have some of those coupons, but this was $8.84. This is something I've been doing for probably like the past year, but we do use this. This is Febreze. This is $8.84. Now, you guys, most of you guys hopefully still have those coupons. I ended up throwing all my inserts away, but I did pull out those pages. But this is from like the June 22nd or June 18th Smart Source from last summer. You guys use that $4 off coupon. You guys would pay $4.84. You guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.84. Now, if you guys can't use that $4 off coupon, somebody now mentioned it's a $3 off printable coupon on Febreze and wash, so you guys would end up paying $2.84 for this. So it's just up to you guys what you guys want to do in that. I just kind of want to share with you guys as many deals as I can. I did the Cascade dishwasher detergent. Now, I keep doing this because one thing I never really get in my stockpile is Cascade dishwasher detergent. My dishwasher doesn't take the pods very well, and I feel like the liquid does the best. And this is a deal I'm going to keep doing until it's no longer available because I don't hardly ever get dishwasher stuff. So this is a reason why I keep doing this. But this is $5.97. You guys would pay $5.97 for this. But then you guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, making it a $3.97. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I still think it's a pretty good deal. This, like I said, dishwasher detergent's one thing I rarely ever get. I really have a stockpile for it because we use this stuff. I've used the Walgreens brand before. It's still good stuff. I've used the Walmart brand, but you know what? I'm still gonna get that stuff just because it's an Ibotta deal, and you know, why not? So I just do it for me. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Now I did the Cheerios deal, okay? This is multigrain Cheerios. You guys could start scanning the different Cheerios boxes, but the Honey Nut doesn't qualify, and then I think some other ones might, but these ones qualify. It's the multi-grain Cheerios. So these were $2.98. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we had from a couple weeks ago. That coupon does expire this week. But you guys would pay $4.96 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making this $2.96 or just $1.48 a piece. So not the greatest deal, but this is cereal that you really can't get at like CVS or Walgreens. CVS you might. I think CVS is a bigger selection on cereal than what Walgreens has from what I've seen. So definitely wanted to share with you guys, you know, on that in case you guys, you know, want some cereal. That's one cereal I just don't care for. I know, but I'll still do cereal deals. I ended up doing the Red Vines. Yeah, the Red Vines licorice. And I had a buy one, get one free coupon that I actually printed from the Red Vines website. I printed it like a month or so ago. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I printed it off. And I had a picture, or I found the items. I couldn't find the single ones, but I found the bigger ones for $1.94. You guys use that buy one, get one free coupon. You guys were supposed to pay $1.94, but then you guys can submit 2 45-cent rebates on Ibotta. I'm not going to do the breakdowns. I'm just going to show you guys the coupons. But I was supposed to come out to $1 for both of them, and my store said that they don't take buy one, get one free coupons. I've used these before. We are not supposed to. And I'm a person who, I work retail, so I understand. I don't like having a fit. I don't like causing problems. I don't like holding up the lines. So she's like, yeah, we can't use this coupon. And I'm like, I've used these coupons before. She's like, nope, we can't use it. And I'm like, okay, then just put everything back, and I'll tell you guys the other stuff I got in a second after this. And I'm like, so I check out, I get the 3 items that I had in my cart with those buy one, get one free coupons, and I went and checked the policy right there after I checked out, and it sounds like you can. It sounds like you can use printable buy one, get one free coupons, because I've used them before. So I'm like, I didn't see a manager anywhere, because they had like the CSMs, which those aren't really managers, those are like cashier managers. I used to work at Walmart. I know exactly how everything rolls. I worked at Walmart for almost 2 years. But I wanted to find, like, they have always had a store manager running around, or one of the assistant managers is always running around, but I didn't see them. I didn't want to cause a fuss. Then I go past the service desk, and it was the same CSM that just denied me, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna have a fit. So, like I said, I did write to Walmart on Facebook Messenger. Still waiting on an answer for that, but not gonna cause a scene. But I know a lot of your guys' stores don't even take printable coupons. But if you guys, complain to corporate about it and keep complaining, their stores should change. I mean, I feel like Walmart makes a lot of money. They do very well in sales. They don't let you work over 40 hours. I mean, when I worked there, sometimes I had to take like 2-hour, 3-hour lunch breaks just to make sure I worked under 40 hours. They don't do price matching anymore because they believe their prices are the cheapest, which they are not always. They are getting rid of, savings catcher and all that stuff, which I think is a dumb move, because some of you guys get a lot of money back. So it's like, I feel like just Walmart, I don't know. I like shopping at Walmart. I'm not going to bash them, but I just feel like they are against people saving even more money. It's something like that. I don't know. So, but there was that. I ended up getting the Crush. Oh, but hold on. So then I ended up doing the Clairol hair dye deal. I did the Clairol root touch-up, and then I did the naturals, and I had the buy one, get one free coupon from coupons.com that you guys can print. And they're like, nope, we will not take these. And I'm like, I don't understand. I've used these before. But she's like, nope, we don't take them. So that deal, those were $6.92. You use that buy one, get one free coupon. You guys would pay $6.92. But then you guys can get a $5 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.92 or just 96 cents a piece. Now those are 2 different deals that you guys can do. Now my store also had coupons attached to it for $3, and she's like, the cashier's like, well, you can use these coupons instead. I'm like, nope, don't want to do the deal at all. I don't want to pay more than what I had written down. Not trying to be selfish, but I don't need hair dye. If it was the buy one free coupon, I would have totally done that, because that would have saved myself an extra buck. But here I would have paid another $1, and I don't want to. It wasn't worth it. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you've had similar situations on those buy one, get one free printable coupons at Walmart, please let me know. Target, never have a problem. Walgreens, never have a problem. CVS, they have to enter those in, but I don't still have a problem. So I don't know, I'm just kind of ticked off with Walmart right now. I'm hoping that the rest of the month is better than my experience today. But I ended up getting the Orange Crush Pop, is what I call it. You guys may call it pop or soda. but in Wisconsin, most of us call it pop. But this was $1.25 on sale or a price match or whatever. So you guys would pay $1.25 for this, but then you guys can get a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just $1. So I'm like, you know what, for $1 for these, usually that's a good price. I feel like as time has gone on, these have always stayed $1 for I mean, they sometimes are more, but most of the time I will never pay more than $1 for these. But that's the one thing that hasn't gone up in price. I mean, 12 packs and 24 packs have just gone up drastically, but I feel like the bottles have not gone up in price. But yeah, for $1, I'm like, sure, why not? I ended up also getting the Canada Dry, or not the Canada Dry, this is Schweppes. Why did I write Canada? But anyways, it's Schweppes. I did scan my Ibotta app. So this was $1.25. You guys would pay $1.25 for this, but then you guys will get 50 cents back when you use Ibotta. So this comes out to be just 75 cents for this. And this is just regular Gina. Why do I keep thinking of Gina? Sorry, Gina Schweppe. But anyways, you guys would get this for 75 cents. I don't know why. Probably because I just texted her right before I did this video. So got that. For you guys, I already talked to you guys about the Got to Be, the Clairol, and then I ended up getting this Clean and Clear. I'm having problems today, you guys, because I wrote Neutrogena on here and it's actually Clean and Clear. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I got the Clean and Clear. These are cleansing wipes. This is a makeup remover. I have not used this, but my store had $2 peelies on there. Now, I'm not a person who takes peelies off products. I might do it once in a while, but I really don't take them off because I leave them for everybody else. But there was a ton that was missing off these products anyways, so I'm just like, not a big deal. But I got the Clean and Clear. There was a $2 peelie, so these are $5.96. I used that $2 off coupon. You would pay $3.96 for this, but then you guys would get $2 back with Ibotta, making it $1.96. So not the greatest, but this is for the lemon one, the yellow one that's in Ibotta. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to try it just to say I tried it. But yeah, that was my haul. Besides like all that stuff, I don't know. I'm still not going to shop at Walmart. I'm just kind of bummed with Ibotta on how they're changing their app things around. And then hopefully Walmart, you know, I get an answer back for the buy one, get one free coupon. So, just giving you guys a heads up with that. But my total came to... Oh, and Ben got some cars. The one thing I don't care about is his Hot Wheel cars. Like, that's one thing I just don't care about because he'll play with those forever. I played with them when I was a kid, but everything else I get annoyed with. But 94 cents.
Yeah, and Grandma June's house has Hot Wheels.
Yeah, my Grandma June, my mom. But anyways, my total came to $26.43. I will be getting $11.85 back with Ibotta. So again, this wasn't the greatest haul, but I just wanted to share with you guys some deals in case you want to do it. But otherwise, this week is kind of just a blah week. But everything came to $14.58. Yes, I only got 9 items. Comes out to $1.62 a piece. So this was kind of a boring haul, but I still wanted to share with you guys and see what your guys' experience is on Walmart. But I'm hoping it picks up a little bit better. I have a feeling it might not because you cannot pass up March. March was probably one of the best months I've ever had in couponing in a very long time. Not just for Walmart, but just for everything. I've had such an awesome couponing experience. So I'm hoping April's a little bit better, but we'll see how it goes. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.